I quit doing aggressive dogs years ago. I've had my hand bit through, and it's safer on everybody to, have multiple people there that know what they're doing.
Yeah.
And can restrain appropriately and especially when they're really long, because that quick is long. So a lot of times they're better off to just sedate them, cut them short, they don't even feel it.
So like when I take him in for his shots, because he's due for his shots, then just have him done then, and they'll have to sedate him. But then that
Scotty.
That's that puppy dog.
What's it doing?
There's something yummy there.
tasty. They aren't chicken fingers, they're baby fingers.
But yeah, that's probably definitely the safest way.
Okay. Yeah. Well, they said they did it last time. When I took them into the groomers, I saw no difference. I saw nothing off them. And I'm thinking maybe they couldn't touch them, and they told me they did.
I used to do a Malamute. It took 5 people to trim his tongue.
Oh, really? Okay.
Oh,
she dropped the baby.